felt so bullied by YouTube that he gave up YouTube, which is a sad thing. But it happened to Flying Ryan, as I said before, and I am switching over to TikTok for good reason. You know what I'm saying? Beastoid, thank you for joining Beastoid, for being awesome and being here. Just in case you guys didn't know, I had two amazing companies, Marvimation and Meow Meow. One was all about creating clothing, a clothing line. The other one was all about creating animations and bringing people together and promoting animators, artists of all kinds on the platform. It's still available. Some of the content is still available on CG Trader and on Facebook for you guys to see. You guys can still check it out and find out all the stuff about Marvimation. And we were trying to make Marvy cars and all kinds of cool things. Video games, animations, all that cool stuff. Bring cool video games to schools here in Irvine, California, Woodbridge, which was also tanked by schools that didn't care. I tried to bring 3D printing to schools here in California, Irvine, California, and that didn't work out so well. We tried to create all these cool things for the community, and all we got was bullying by the Irvine community. And the latest and greatest thing that they did was, one, they basically made my good friend Steve over here, you see, this beautiful guy over here, Steve, they made him give up on being a content creator because I did a giveaway recently here at the club here at the Irvine, California Woodbridge Tennis Club break room. I was giving away a very nice TV monitor just the other day, and the TV monitor was just a little bit younger, so a little bit more modern than some of the equipment that is in there. And they went out of their way, the Irvine community, to rebrand my YouTube channel as the Junk Dumper Reviews. The original name is Mark Reviews, but they turned it into Junk Dumper Reviews, and they also made a dig at my friend Steve's new YouTube channel, The Dude's Digest, by leaving us this, saying that they can wipe their butts with my YouTube channel and his YouTube channel, and they bullied him so hard that he doesn't want to be on YouTube anymore. So that is the beauty of living in Irvine, California, Woodbridge, and nearby areas. This is the kind of crap that you get for being, just the average Joe, just trying to make it on social media. So yeah, that's what really hurt for me. That's why I'm not on YouTube right now, is because they hurt my friend. It's not about me. It's about him. They really kicked him in the balls, if you will. And he had high hopes of creating his own YouTube channel, and